One of the important parts of Core.js is the use of the workflow system. This is a critical tool for ensuring that data is organized and presented effectively. That system is essentially set up by assigning a report template to an investigation location. A report template acts as a blueprint, determining what information will be displayed, how it's organized, and how users interact with it. From that report template, we determine what tables and what columns are used within the table and present those to the user across the workflow bar at the top. These are the tables that are used in this report template, and they give a clear structure for navigating the data related to the selected investigation. Likewise, the orange-colored cells represent the columns that are referenced in the report template. These highlighted cells play an important role in guiding the user. Straight away, we can see that setting a value for the status or feature is not going to be represented in that report template unless it is explicitly linked. However, as soon as we add something into the report that links to that column, it will change to orange. This essentially tells us that if you enter data, it will show up in the report. This visual feedback is very intuitive, allowing users to immediately understand what fields are included in their reporting and which ones are not yet connected.